target area. Ladies and gentlemen, the best sight in the best beach in the best state. God bless America. Give them a big round of applause if you will. And watch for this touchdown. We are so fortunate. We are celebrating Memorial Day at Miami Beach. Thank you, Hyundai, our presenting sponsor. The flag is pitched.
And these are the landings that the Red Devils are famous for, please. Possible moment, and then if we can have a huge round of applause for Corporal Henry Mole and the team Canopy pilots, Lance Corporal Clark as they're coming down. Huge round of applause, please.
They got girls dancing on the roof with lightning coming.